welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we love unboxings. Well, at least I love unboxing. So I figured I unbox one of my favorite clothing brands. I am collaborating with Lily Silk today. It's been about 3 years almost since I've been collaborating with them, and till this day I absolutely love them and still get excited over unboxing it. So the last time I did an unboxing was a year ago, and I told you guys how, buying from them is, how their packaging is. So I won't go into too much detail today, but I will link that video down below. Today, I just wanted to unbox with you, give some new subscribers, new people, show you guys what the packaging looks like, what it looks like to open it, and then also I have a special unboxing because I will be opening a YouTuber's Melbourne's Lily Silk collab clothing, and I want to let you guys know what I think about it. So I don't know. So I have 3 things to unbox. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I have these 3 boxes that I'm so excited about. But before I get into unboxing it, I just want to talk about Lily Silk. If you're not familiar with Lily Silk, they are a 100% mulberry silk and other items as well. They have cashmere clothing line. There's men's, there's women line, and they carry everything from clothing to silk bedding to accessories to, a plethora of things, and I absolutely love them. My favorite type of material with clothing is silk because it's anti-wicking and it's also antibacterial and also really good for your skin. So let's actually go into this one first. This is one of the boxes. I love the flowers, the lilies on them. And we are going to, there's a nice little sticker in the back that keeps it all together. Ooh, oh, I don't even know what this is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this actually, I believe, just came out recently, and it is their silk padded bras. Oh my gosh. I'm all about padding and bras, and I absolutely already like it. So it looks like it's very thin, and it looks like it's not going to create any, like bumps in your clothing, because as you can see, it's a very thin, stretchy material. It's a one size fits all. There's padding, and it's 95% silk and 5% spandex, which allows it to be, a little stretchy. Okay guys, this is mod shots of this. This is like future Tabby. This is mod shots of the sports bra. So I probably won't wear it on its own like this, but I'm gonna say the sports bra, it feels like you're wearing nothing, and it feels so good. Oh my gosh, and it's so supportive. The spandex slash silk combination is like so supportive. I'm like in love with it, seriously. What I really like about this is that, well, I like the color, but a lot of times in the island, now that I'm living here in Hawaii, I just like to wear like sports bras and like blazers on top, and just keep it really casual with some loose pants. So I hope I can wear it with this, but if not, it's gonna be so nice underneath all my clothing. It's gonna be very comfortable, that's for sure. As always, I have a discount code for you guys, and also I will link everything down below. Okay, so this is one of the items that I have been so excited about. Now, Melbourne, she is a big luxury YouTuber here on YouTube land, and she was collaborating with Lily Silk, and I believe she made quite a few pieces with them. I think she did a cami, she did some like silk blazers, I think, and then she has this item. I'm really stoked about this because I think there's just gonna be so many ways to wear it. So let's see how it goes. I love this. I love this ribbon. And then this box is very new. I've never opened up a box like this. Inside, it comes with this little pamphlet, and it says we want to inspire people to live a better life and a more sustainable lifestyle. And they're doing zero waste, which I think that may be new. I'm not sure, but I really, really like that. And then it comes with a little card. And it says Lily Silk and TerraCycle. So a zero waste can make a difference. So they're doing a no waste recycling program. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. And oh my gosh, look at these little postcards that it comes with. That's so cute. And it says not all silk is created equal. It's made with 100% pure natural mulberry silk. And I love that. And then here's another one. I just absolutely love this. So I'm gonna like use this for some of my scrapbooking as well, and I recycle that. It says live spectacularly, and we're gonna just go right into it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Ah, that's so pretty. Okay, so this is I love this. I don't wear skirts that often, but because we're planning on going out to eat more, this is Melbourne created this pleated skirt. It is in this beautiful bronze color, and then there's a mesh lining in the inside. You can like see through it, but I just love it because it is a long skirt, but it kind of gives you like the illusion that it is short because of the little pleating. So let's see. It says Lily Silk M&M, which is Melbourne M-I-M. And how cute is this? I just really think that Mel really thought her like pieces through, and she has really cool style. And I really want to try this one out. I do believe, yes, the inside is lined with silk. I actually don't know what the outside is. The outside is polyester, but the inside is 100% mulberry silk, so it's nice on your skin. So this is beautiful. I got a size small. I'm really excited on the different ways that I can style it. I think you can style it like very casually, and I also think you can, dress it up. The attention to detail on this is really nice. And this is definitely a piece that's going to last for quite a while for sure. I have all my silk pieces these past 3 years, and they're holding up great. So yes, I'm really excited about that one. And then lastly, if you're used to my channel, you'll know that I've been trying to do a lot of like zero waste, a lot of like sustainable things, and also thrifting as well. Lily Silk's really known for their silk pillowcases, and I wanted to get a different type of pillowcase, so this is really exciting for me. So I'm going to open up the package, which I already did. Live spectacularly. So this pillowcase is different than all the other pillowcases that I have, because if you can guess, and of course I'm going to steam it and take out all the wrinkles and stuff like that when I wear it. That's the one thing with silk, you got to do that. Okay, so this looks very, very, very unique because this is a pillowcase patchwork. And what I love about this pillowcase is that they use the recycled silk pieces that they had from like clothing, from pretty much anything that they create, and they keep it, and then they patch it all together and make a pillowcase. So yes, you don't owe, like what you get, you can't really choose the color. They'll just like send you like different colors and stuff like that. But honestly, I just love the concept that they're not throwing away silk, like they're reusing the silk. And I sleep with my Lily Silk pillowcases every single day. JT tries to steal it, like I said, because it keeps your hair like nice. It doesn't create breakage. It's antibacterial, so it's good for your skin and so forth. So I love it. So this is like black. It's like a blue, a gold. I have a shirt in this gold color, and then also this beautiful pink. And then I also have a shirt in this white color as well. So I love it. I think it's gonna look so good on my bed. And the most important thing that matters is that I have another silk pillowcase, which I was planning on buying more anyways, because JT keeps trying to steal it. So yes, guys, that is pretty much my Lily Silk unboxing. Like I said, I've been working with them for like 3 years now. So if you guys have any questions about the brand, about their items, anything, let me know. Leave them in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a pretty straightforward video, just like a Lily Silk unboxing, but I love unboxing, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you Lily Silk for sending this to me, and I will chat soon. Bye!